Yeah, real gyal body. From the roots, from the style. This a no botch, blow up dolly. This a steam fish and okra body. Natural thick, yeah, that on my body. From the motherland, real and ready. This a no botch, blow up dolly. This a steam fish and okra body. No surgeon and build up my body. Got a shape, real and steady. Boiled banana, yum in on my plate. That a the thing where build my shape. From a little me grow up great. Natural curve, yeah, that in it. Okra rich, yeah, pure and clean. Healthy glow, melanin sheen. Curve soft, natural and queen. Real girl step on the scene. This a no botch, blow up dolly. This a steam fish and okra body. Natural thick, yeah, that on my body. From the motherland, real and ready. Me no plastic, me no fake. Every curve Jack did create. Confidence high when me step through gate. Real girl energy resonate. While them try to imitate me original, me can't duplicate. From Africa roots me originate. Natural body elevate. Steam fish strengthen on my soul. Okra nourishment my whole. From the earth we keep my whole. Ancient power take control. Yeah, yeah. Real body, real story. Steam fish and okra glory.